Good morning, children. Today's topic is our beautiful country, India. Social studies for class 4 children. India is a land of vast plains, children. I'll show you India. This is India, children. It is a land of vast plains, beautiful hills, high mountains, extensive plateau, forests, islands, and the largest desert. A large number of rivers like Godavari, Krishna, Penna, so many other rivers. Now coming to the location and size, children. Where is India located? India is located in Asia continent, southernmost tip of the Asia continent. Asia is the largest continent, and in that continent, to the southernmost part, India is located. It is the 7th largest country in the world in the area, children, and the 2nd largest in the population, children. Now it is very clear for you the location of the India, children. India stretches for about 3,214 kilometers from north to south. 3,214 kilometers from north to south. And from east to west, it is 2,933 kilometers. So length is 3,214 and the breadth is 2,933 kilometers. Southernmost part of India is peninsular in shape, and it is surrounded by Arabian Sea in the west, Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Indian Ocean in the south. Kanyakumari is the southernmost tip of the Indian mainland, and Indira Point in Andaman and Nicobar Islands is the southernmost tip of the whole country. Now coming to the land frontier. The land frontier is about 15,200 kilometers, children. The land frontier is 15,200 kilometers long. And the north part of India is protected by high mountains. You all know very well, children. And the coastline of the India is from Gujarat to West Bengal. This coastline is about how many kilometers? 6,100 kilometers. If we include the length of the islands, then the coastline is 7,500 kilometers. Coming to the neighboring countries of India. India shares common land boundaries with Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar. Next, physical divisions, children. Coming to the physical divisions of India. India can be divided into the following physical divisions: the northern mountains, the northern plains, the western desert, the southern plateau, and the coastal plains, and islands, Andaman and Lakshadweep Islands. This is about it. Coming to the political divisions here once again. For better running of the country, India is divided into 29 states and 7 union territories, children. What are union territories, children? Union territories are under the direct control of the central government. The states have their own government. The capital of India is New Delhi, children. Here it is. The offices of the government of India are based in New Delhi. The offices of the government of the state are based at state capitals. Every state at the state capital, the offices are based. The National Capital Territory of Delhi has a chief minister to look after its affairs. Rajasthan is the largest in terms of area, children, and Goa is the smallest in terms of area. 7 states in the northeastern India are called Seven Sisters. There are more than 1 billion people in India. They belong to different religions, tribes and races. They speak different languages, wear different dresses, and they are all one children. Now, once again, I'll show you this map, children. This map shows the location of India in south part of the Asia continent. Next, the northern mountains of India from Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, north part of West Bengal and northeastern states, all is northern mountains of India. This map shows you the northern plains of India, that is from Punjab to Assam, eastern part of the Assam, northern plains of India you can see. Here, Great Indian Desert, children. West side of this Aravalli Hills, you can see west part of northern plains, you can see this Rajasthan Desert, children. South part of northern plains, you can see the southern plateau of India. And southern plateau, the Deccan Plateau, both the sides, east and west, you can see the coastal plains of India, children. Next, this map shows you the physical divisions of the India. The northern mountains, the northern plains. Next, the Great Indian Desert, the southern plateau, the coastal plains and the islands. And this one shows you the 29 states and their capitals and the union territories. Take a screenshot, children. The 29 states and the union territories, their capitals along with children. Union territories, I will read, children, once. Andaman and Nicobar Island, Port Blair is the capital. Chandigarh, Chandigarh is the capital. Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Silvassa. Daman and Diu, Daman. Lakshadweep, Kavaratti. National capital of Territory of Delhi, New Delhi. Puducherry is Puducherry. This map very clearly shows you the capitals, states and their capitals and the union territories very clearly. Here Delhi, Daman and Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Lakshadweep, Pondicherry, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The union territories you can see here, children, and states and their capitals. The task for this video is write about India in your own words. Thank you all, children. Have a nice day.